I'm talking every single day. Windows, gutters, siding, everything getting paid. We building roofs, I'm talking every single day. Every single day. Ayy, the roof is on fire. Ayy, roofie bitches all liars. We don't need no water, let them burn. When they ever gonna pay me what I earn? Let's talk about this roof, free inspection, show the proof. Ayy, insurance paid, now it's new. With a head damage to it, let me show you how I do. Ayy, and if you messing up the bill, slap a nigga like you will. Why I got the best crew, JC in the crew, the Shingles in the loop, then it mention getting loot. I think we need a group, and they need a roof influence, I got a scoop. Ayy, yeah, these boys owing me, like insurance companies, O&P. Might give it good at wood, that OSB. Rich pro, cause they climb to the top and steep, I'm that boy. Getting paid, we building roofs, I'm talking every single day. Windows, gutters, siding, everything getting paid. We building roofs, I'm talking every single day. Every single day, getting paid. We building roofs, I'm talking every single day. Every single day.
Feeling good, I feel I'm on. Only work with the ghosts in the league with like LeBron. I ain't had the jib ride, but finesse feel like I won. E4S go sell it, come and get a roof by dawn. Burberry roofs ain't no typo. Designer shingles come from Ico. Work with us, she gon' save money like it's Geico. And insurance paid off. At this point, we can't even fall. I don't care how many no's I get, I ain't going for no. We go door to door to door to door until I get it, y'all. Now I'm feeling blessed. Did inspection with the drone neighbor, like can I be next? I be getting paid just for me picking up the check. Don't miss calls, cause I'm calling back. Get rich and have fun, we on all of that. I'm a paper fiend, money coming in many ways. We get straight to the bag, do it every single day.
Getting paid, we building roofs, I'm talking every single day. Every single day.
I'm in your hood, knocking on doors. I knocked on his and I'ma knock on yours. Just checking for hail damage from the recent storm. We got 3 of your neighbors covered, we can do 4. Let's not talk about the competition, we can do more. Give you an HGTV house from the roof to the floor. Insurance, gon' pay for acts of God and galore. Whole roof can get replaced like you got an award. Roof hoop full of snakes, say some straight bullshit. Man, I'm all about the team when I hit that pitch. Let them liars drown themselves, you can dig that ditch. Did everything you could to stop a nigga getting rich. I need my pitch game.